Human beings are a physical body with a spirit inside. We call it a spirit, soul, or even ghost. When we leave the body, we are a spirit. Depending on how we lived, we can become a heavenly spirit or a lowly spirit or ghost. Spirits and humans coexist, but ghosts with attachments can disturb us. What are the best conditions for ghosts to come to you? When you are feeling lonely, feeling down, or going through a hard time. Ghosts come to you when you're going through a tough time. The ghosts say, "You're lonely, let's play together." And that is why they come. But if you're having fun, enjoying yourself, and getting along well with the people around you, gloomy ghosts cannot come to you. When you're lonely and struggling, people can't take care of you, and you distance yourself from others, so even ghosts, like your ancestors, come and try to help you. That's how ghosts come. Ghosts come to those who are lonely and depressed. So how can we get rid of these ghosts?